Hi. So basically, it's about me. Okay, so in this course about the instructor, so I will be the instructor throughout this course, and I'm really excited to give you my first course on Excel Python, and it is really it took me really uh, a long decision to finally come up to like releasing my first course on Excel Python. Although my first mission was, or my first actually aim was to release a course on blockchain, but then I thought that why not just give a try on data science, and then that's when I decided that I should maybe create a course on this. So yeah, so welcome. And So my background, so I have worked in Android in 2016 and 2017. I started working on blockchain. In fact, I created one of the first apps, all-in-one app in blockchain sphere, and that got hit, you know, like uh, among around 10,000 people. Okay, so I got downloads of that count, and then I decided to switch over to writing some decentralized applications on the blockchain. So my background actually, went from Android to blockchain, and then like in past few months, I have decided to do sort of data science. So that's where I felt really the need of Excel, uh, because I searched a lot, frankly, to make Excel automated. Okay, like I used several libraries, but which couldn't give everything to the um, to solve the Excel problems with Python. Like some of the packages do have the writable access, but they don't have uh, the readability feature, which obviously Xlwings have. And that's when I decided that why not just give a shot on this particular course. And yeah, so I've created a like I've tried my best to make the course uh, just top notch. So it's I really hope that you appreciate by the end of this course. So yeah, in the next video, it's about about the course, what exactly you're going to learn. So best wishes for this course. Yeah, so welcome to Block Up Academy. Thank you.